In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle Shopify refunds and returns in 2025, especially if you're just getting started. Managing refunds and return processes efficiently is critical for maintaining customer satisfaction and protecting your business reputation. So, let's dive into how you can set this up in your Shopify store. First, we'll begin by navigating to the main hub of your Shopify store. Go ahead and log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard that provides a snapshot of your store's performance and activities. It's from here that we will begin configuring your refund and return settings. Once you're on the home dashboard of your store, look towards the bottom left corner for the Settings option. This section is extremely crucial as it's where you can control many aspects of your store, from payment settings to shipping configurations. Next up, within the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Policies. Click on that. This section is vital as it lets you establish the all-important guidelines that govern how your store operates, including refund and return policies. Here you can draft the rules that will be visible to your customers, ensuring transparency and aiding in customer service should any issues arise. As you continue through the menu, click on Return Rules. These rules set the foundation for how returns are handled within your store. It's important to be very clear and precise here, to not only your customers a smooth return process, but also to make it easier for your customer service team to manage these returns efficiently. Following that, you'll want to navigate to the section marked Written Policies. Here you have an opportunity to carefully outline the various policies your store abides by. This step presents an essential checkpoint to reiterate the guidelines and policies you've decided to follow. In this document, be as detailed as possible. Clarity is key. Lastly, we arrive at the Return and Refund Policy section. This is probably the most important part of today's setup. In this section, you will provide specific details on how customers can request returns or refunds, what conditions must be met, and any exceptions to your standard policies. Providing this information upfront can greatly enhance trust between you and your customer. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to setting up your Shopify refunds and returns. Remember, a well-managed return and refund process not only helps in maintaining customer trust, but also in running a smooth online store operation. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more useful content on navigating the world of e-commerce.